Our ATCs are equipped with teaching stations, computers, projectors, DVD and Blu-ray players, document cameras, HDMI ports for plugging in a laptop, wireless clicking devices for advancing presentation slides, and cameras for Zoom meetings and recording lectures. Most of our ATCs feature a touch panel near the teaching station for controlling the room's technology. If the touch panel screen is dark, simply tap the center to wake it up. Once it's awake, you can select your desired display source. Your options include PC, document camera, Blu-ray player, your personal laptop, or AirMedia, which allows you to display your laptop wirelessly. To turn on the projector, press the projector power button in the upper left-hand corner of the touch panel. The button will flash while the projector warms up, which takes about a minute. If you don't see an image after a minute, just double-check that you've selected the correct source. Need to temporarily hide the image you're displaying to your students? Press Pick Mute right below the power button. It will flash while the image is hidden. Press it again to restore the display. To adjust the audio level, look for the soundbar icon on the touch panel. Slide the bar to adjust levels. To silence everything instantly, just press the audio mute button. Some models of touch panels require you to press the volume up or down buttons to adjust the levels. The Podium PC is located on one of the shelves. Make sure it is selected on the touch panel. To log in, enter your LakerNet ID and password and wait for the home page to load. For convenience, we've provided wireless presentation remotes so you can step away from the podium, advance your slides, and use the built-in laser pointer. If you're using the document camera, select it on the touch panel and place your materials beneath the camera head. We have 3 different styles of document cameras on campus, but they all operate about the same. If you plan on using a laptop, plug your HDMI cable into the port located on the podium transaction top. If there is no laptop icon, look for AirMedia. Crestron AirMedia is a wireless presentation system that allows you to mirror your laptop, tablet, or phone screen. To begin, open a web browser on your laptop, then enter the IP address shown on the AirMedia start screen. As mentioned earlier, every room should have at least one webcam to be used with Zoom meetings or lecture capture. They are mounted either near the ceiling or placed on the podium. Most of our classrooms are equipped with telephones. If you need media support or would like to report a technical issue, please call the ATC support desk at 3534. We are available to help you Monday through Thursday, 7:30 a.m. to 9 p.m., and Fridays, 7:30 to 4:30. You can also leave a message. We hope you have a successful and positive teaching experience.